We went in. They gave us our applications in the line, and we filled them out. And then we went in, and they sent us to one of the booths where they were taking pictures, and that was it.
Yeah.
How long? Check out.
How long did you wait in the line?
I think it was probably like an hour and a half.
Okay.
Hour and a half.
So
Yeah.
not too.
Right, so
Yeah.
I got my ups and downs. Work for the city of Chicago. So I think I represent the city real good.
What do you do for the city of Chicago?
I was doing street and sanitation.
Okay. Very nice. Do you care about this title? Some people are upset that he might be calling it Chiraq.
Well, Chiraq, I think it's like more of an urban slang. So, I mean, some people may be upset, but I'm fine with it. Yeah.
It'll shed some light on just the situation, not just in Chicago, but all over the country right now. It can be a little jarring, but I think that might be the stimulus that you need to get people to come and see what the movie's about.
Coming in the African American community to do a casting call, hiring an African American community, African American director, dealing with issues in the African American community. Does it get any better than that? We ought to be standing up and giving them an ovation. That's what we should be doing.